welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I have a fall leaves inspired makeup tutorial that I am so excited to do for you guys. I feel like this is a different look than what I normally do here on my channel, and I'm really loving it, so let's just go ahead and get right on into it. Using my Profusion siennas palette, I'm going to take the shade Dynasty, and I'm just going to pop that into my crease using this teeny tiny little crease brush. Now I'm just going to take my blending brush and I'm just going to blend that shade out. Now taking this smaller flat brush, I'm just going to be applying the shade Serendipity into the inner half of my lid. Now taking the shade Daring, I'm going to put that onto the outer half of my lid using this tiny little crease brush. Taking my blending brush one more time, I'm just going to blend these shades out, and then I'll be done with the eyeshadow. Alright, next I'm going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara, and then we will be done with the eyes. Alright, to warm up my face a bit, I'm going to use this bronzer and highlighter duo from Beauty at Big Bang. And to apply the bronzer, I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. angled blush brush. Now I'm just going to be using this Ulta Beauty blush in the shade Gilded on the apples of my cheeks. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this Profusion blush brush. Alright, now I'm going to be using the highlighter in the shade Dreamy from the Profusion face kit. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. highlighting brush. Last but certainly not least is lips, and then we are done. So for lips, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Mega Lash lipstick in the shade Bare It All, and that will complete this makeup look. Alright everyone, so that is it for this makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next one really soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.